Ingxenye yale mashi bathi ukuvunyelwa kwabantu abakuleli ngokungemthetho ukuthi bathole izidingo ezifana nezezempilo kuphambene nomthethosisekelo wezwe. Basola laba bokufika ngokuthi bathatha imithi kuleli bayise emazweni abo.
Esikuthola ukuthi bayayithatha imishanguzo. Umuntu eyedwa uhamba ibhedlela eziwu5 ngelanga elilodwa elanda imishanguzo abazoyiqoqa bayithumele emakhantrini abo njengoba bengakwazi ukuthola usizo lwezempilo. Yilokho yini esithi abakungenele ibhedlela zethu ukuthi bathathe imishanguzo yethu baphume nayo ngaphandle kuvumelekile yini.
Inyunyana yezisebenzi Public Service Association ithi ukugcwala kwabantu abakuleli ngokungemthetho kufaka ingcindezi emkhakheni wezempilo.
Noma su-PSA singeke sikuphikise ukuthi banikwe leyo service kodwa kugcina sekutholakala ukuthi kufaka ipressure konesi kodokotela nama-cleaners. Yingakho ke su-PSA sithi uma uNational Treasury allocate ibudget usuke ebheka ipopulation engabheka ukuthi there are millions of undocumented ama-foreigners akhona eSouth Africa.
Sekuyophela isonto okwenzeka okufanayo emtholampilo waseGoli eRosettenville lapho ababhikishi bejikisa abokufika. Kunezinsolo zokusetshenziswa komazisi bakuleli abantu bokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
Because some of these South African IDs that they use, they rent them or they pay South Africans. You'll understand. And then you find that maybe 4 or 5 of them, pregnant women, using one identity card.
Tina sifuna South Africans athole e-service and get the full medication in their own country. We cannot cater for the whole continent. We can't do that anymore.
Owenhlangano yababhaci uphakamisa ukuthi ababhace kuleli kumele baqoqelwe enkanjini ukuze bathole ukunakekelwa ukugwema isimo esifuze lesi esenzeka njengamanje.
We think it's a time now that refugees and asylum seekers should be kept in the camp because there we believe in the camp they will be assisted more than what is happening in the community.
Abe March and March bathi bazosabalalisa lo mkhankaso ukuze izinsiza ezikhona ezincane zisize izakhamuzi zakuleli.